James Hardie is very competitive in terms of the hard siding product offerings by other manufacturers. Given the fact that James Hardie has the #1 return on investment for any exterior remodel project, actually says that James Hardie is a tremendous value for what you're spending. You know, I never want to pretend that James Hardie is as cheap as vinyl siding, but nor it should be. James Hardie is by far a superior product. It's going to withstand the elements of wind, impact, moisture resistance, and again, the beauty of it, just the look of it on the home, so far improved over a vinyl siding product and even a wood type hard siding product. Like we talked about earlier, James Hardie is engineered for climate. It is engineered to withstand the harsh elements we have in St. Louis, both the heat, the humidity, as well as the cold and the freeze-thaw cycles. So in terms of pricing, James Hardie is very competitive against other manufacturers, and also a very affordable product for our client's home, and so that's why we recommend it. James Hardie is currently in their 7th generation of product evolution since they invented James Hardie fiber cement siding in the mid-1980s. They also continue to invest $20 million a year or more into research and development to continue the advancement of that technology, to make sure that when you make that one-time investment into the exterior of your home, that you're gonna get many years of performance out of it, as well as that maximum return on investment when you go to sell the home and transfer that warranty to the next homeowner. One question that I've been asked a lot in terms of price point is, ever since COVID-19, we see a lot of fluctuations in pricing within the building products industry, and a lot of those, unfortunately, were prices going up at a pretty rapid rate, mostly with vinyl products. Just given their nature and where the raw materials come from, the vinyl industry was seeing 5 to 6 price increases per year. Whereas Hardie, because they source all of their products locally to each plant, there was just the standard once-a-year price increase, meaning that gap has continued to close over the last 4 years. So that now we're seeing where Hardie, in many cases, really isn't that much more expensive than a low-budget, low-value option like vinyl. So I think it's something that's absolutely worth considering when looking to replace the siding in your home, because you might be surprised that the cost difference is less than you think.